C'est-à-dire que c'est vraiment un mélange de tous les ingrédients du cinéma d'horreur, mais aussi du cinéma un petit peu plaisir coupable, un peu potache, des années 80, tout ça avec évidemment un budget plus important, un côté beaucoup plus spectaculaire, des acteurs vraiment formidables qui représentent tous quelque chose d'autre, que ce soit Christopher Lloyd, Retour vers le futur, Jerry O'Connell, que ce soit Elizabeth Shue. C'est des acteurs avec qui on a grandi. Et de les voir revenir dans cette histoire, dans ce film catastrophe, c'est une manière un peu de, comment dire, de rendre hommage à tout ça, tout en évidemment passant un super moment.
It's a genre film done right. You know, it's everything you want to see. It's boobs, babes, blood, laughs, thrills, scares. It's like, you got it. It's all there.
Alex and Gregory also are really great guys to work for. You want to work your hardest for them. You really want to put yourself out there.
See, because when a Frenchman makes a movie like this, it's artistic and good. When Americans make
It's vulgarity.
It's crap.
Yeah, exactly.
I know, I can say fuck and that sounds like poetry.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Exactly.
Alex is just such an amazing director, so we felt that it was going to be a movie that would be artistically beautiful and emotionally terrorizing and also really fun and French in a great, loud and colorful way.
Yeah. Yeah, I was such a fan of Alex's before, and I feel like what we ended up with is kind of the perfect combination of the popcorn movie from Planet Popcorn mixed with something like High Tension, which is just emotionally terrifying. So you take like Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom and mix it with, High Tension, and you get something that's super, super fun and really scary. And it ends up, you have the ultimate summer movie we've all been waiting for.
Sam?
Something bit me!
Sam, what are you seeing down there?
Oh my God.
Sam!
La 3D s'est imposée très tôt dans le processus de l'écriture parce qu'on était en train de réécrire le script en rajoutant plus de gore, plus de sexe, plus d'action, et en même temps on attendait avec beaucoup d'impatience Avatar et on se disait mais ça va être formidable Avatar, mais imagine un vrai film d'horreur qui soit en 3D. Et c'était il y a 3 ans, on a réussi à convaincre le studio, on est parti encore plus dans cette direction. Et la 3D ne fait que, rendre l'expérience du spectateur plus intense. C'est-à-dire que la 3D est un outil d'immersion qui est parfait, qui met le spectateur à l'intérieur. Et une fois que tu crois au personnage, tu es dedans, et là on sera... Avatar, c'était une fenêtre ouverte sur un monde avec de la profondeur, des choses très très belles, mais c'était pas la vraie 3D. Piranha, c'est tout hors de l'écran, tout vient sur nous. C'est vraiment une expérience assez extrême.
I think 3D done right is good for an audience. 3D done wrong is the worst. And so Alex did it right. I think it's supposed to be in 3D. It looks good in 3D, and
I think it's kind of here to stay. You know, I mean, when they started making color films, not all films were made out of color, but then eventually color became the norm, and I think you're going to see 3D become more and more popular, and it may very well become the norm, you know?
Added all the 3D stuff afterwards. Like I think there's 2 different techniques. One is with dual cameras, and the one we did is they use one camera, which takes a little more time, but I feel like the end product ended up looking amazing. It's one camera, and then afterwards they go and separate, the certain films and stuff like that.
Wow, you should work on a 3D crew. It sounds like you really know what you're talking about.
Yeah, we'll put you in touch with James Cameron.
All right, hook it up.
Good job, man.
Avatar 2, let's do it.
We got to shoot guns at the camera, which was really fun. I had many different ones: a shotgun, rifle, taser gun, and we had to shoot them right at the camera perfectly. So
I never did that.
I
You
did.
keep talking about it like I was participating in this. I didn't.
You
Yeah, I never got to shoot
a gun?
anything.
I got to shoot a gun, but
Hello?
not at the camera.
Well, I did.
Well, I did. So, see, this is what it's like. I'm telling you, it never stops with her. Will you tell her to just give it a rest?
Settle down.
Tais-toi, Isabelle.
Yeah, thank you.
Take it off! The sheriff has declared an emergency.
Ma génération, c'est la génération des Dents de la Mer, donc j'ai été traumatisé très tôt. Et et c'est vrai que j'ai toujours eu cette peur. Moi, ce que j'aime dans le cinéma d'horreur, c'est quand le cinéma d'horreur devient universel et réussit à cristalliser une peur qui existe déjà en chacun de nous. Et c'est ce que Les Dents de la Mer a réussi d'une manière exceptionnelle. C'est-à-dire que les gens avaient peur de la profondeur, avaient peur de l'inconnu sous l'eau, avaient peur de ce qu'il y a sous la surface. Mais ce film est arrivé à un moment donné pour cristalliser et comment dire, mettre des images sur cette peur. Et j'espère que Piranha sera, comment dire, pour une nouvelle génération, aura le même effet.
No, we didn't actually get to see any of the fish because it was all green screen. So there were like scuba divers with long green gloves on.
That was
were,
a job that you might have
yeah,
liked.
you
If
might
you
have
could put on
enjoyed
these
that.
gloves
Yeah.
and go pinch it.
So I had
And then you get to
guys
grab-
kind of
and you
grabbing
get to
parts
touch-
of my bum. Really, yeah.
Lake Havasu.
I look at it differently because
not swimming
at
there
Lake
anymore.
Havasu, I was in the water a lot for the movie, and I got a rash on my body
There were fish dying
because
in
it's
that lake.
because it's like a dirty lake with like people with like Axe body spray and
Faces.
sperm. It was gross.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Have to
come
say
on.
sperm?
Okay.
For God's
Never
sake.
heard that word before. Sperm.
Jesus.
Lisa, sperm. It's how you make, we make children with it.
Disgusting.
Get used to it.
You're gross.
Boobs. Boobs, sperm, peanut, balls. Balls.
Balls.
Vagina.
Oh my God.
OG!
Orgies. People fucking.
Yes! That's a sequel, right?
Yeah. That's a sequel.